She's not gonna pass her water survival test or any other test that has to do with a pool.
I'm sucking at my swimming lessons.
Basically, so far, she don't want to listen. That's why they always say they can't do something, because number one, they don't listen, and number two, they don't listen.
Hi my loves, it's your girl Shantes, also known as with.love.sb on Instagram. Welcome back to my channel. You already know what I'm gonna say. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know that it means the world to me to gain you all support. I thank you all for everyone who's already supporting me. As you can see, I'm in my bathing suit. It's officially summer 2020. I see a lot of people who are out here who decide to take a little bit of R&R time, rest and relaxation. I see people at the beaches, you know, at the lakes. Now, unfortunately for me, Texas is still under a lot of restrictions because of the amount of coronavirus cases that we have going on here. But fortunately, the aquatic center here on base is still open. I'm about to go ahead and attempt to have a swimming lesson. Now, me and water have a love-hate relationship. I love water sports. I love being out there in the pools. I love getting wet. I love the way it feels and the way that it sounds. But unfortunately, I don't know how to swim. I even had like a near-death experience when I was like 11, where I almost drowned in a swimming pool. My younger brother, he had tried to save me when I was under the water. He jumped in, and the water was too deep for him too, so he hopped back out because he was on the edge of the pool. My mom eventually, you know, reached her arm out and tried to save me, and she basically was like, look, if you grab my hand, or that's it. Because my mom don't know how to swim either, and she was just like, there ain't no need in there being two funerals. You at the well, sis. Messed up, I know, but nevertheless, I've always wanted to take the opportunity to actually learn how to swim, you know, in deep water and get over my fear. So today I'm gonna take you all with me as I head to the aquatic center. Stay tuned. All right, so here we are at a replica aquatic center. Smells like chlorine. I had to get my swim on. Lane closed. Social distance swimming. So here we are. Here are my little floaty devices. I'm gonna practice some paddling. So I have a little paddle board or whatever that I'm gonna use to try to float or stay up. I don't really know what this is, but I guess we're gonna find out and see. Tiptoe my way in. I'm dramatic, y'all. I'm sorry, but that water was cold. Okay. All right, I'm ready now.
So far, she don't want to listen. And when people don't want to listen, that's why they always say they can't do something. Because number one, they don't listen. And number two, they don't listen.
Whatever. I'm a good listener. I just want to swim already.
She's not gonna pass her water survival test or any other test that has to do with a pool. The only thing she probably can do with water is take a bath, and hopefully she can do that. Lay back. Yep, good. It's called holding your body. Without your feet. Now you're gonna have to use your arms and everything else to hold your body up. Yeah. So you worried about trying to fall. Down, hold your body up. That means you gotta keep your movement. Hold your body up. Hold your body up. Lean out and hold your body up. Not put your hand. Hold your body up. Put your arm. Then hold, see, you're not lifting your leg. You gotta hold your body up. Nobody can help you hold your body up. Until you learn how to hold your body up and stop trying to lift your body hold itself up, you have to make your body do it, right? You gotta make yourself walk. You don't walk on yourself. That means you gotta make your body hold itself up. Things come out of your system. You have to make your body do it. Yes, sir.
Give me like philosophical speeches and such.
And I'm just telling you the truth.
Well, I'm gonna get me some underwater action.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dorino singing.
lunch up because we only had an hour. So that was my swimming lesson for today. I'm gonna keep trying, keep practicing, and see if I can get the hang of swimming eventually one of these days. So thank you all so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video.